Hey friends, hope you guys are having a great week. So for our phonics activity today, we're going to be talking about the letter C. And you're probably like, well, Miss Cole, I know all about the letter C for my name, Mrs. Cole, and I know what sound it makes. Well, guys, letter C is one of those really special letters that it makes two different sounds, okay? So the first sound that we talked about was the hard C sound, like the picture and like the sound k, 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 cat. So we know that letter C makes the k, 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 k sound, right? Just like k, cookie, k, cat, k, crayon, k, caterpillar, k, can, k, k, Chloe, k, k, computer. Or I guess we could have put Miss Cole from a picture right there, right? Well, the letter C also makes the soft C sound. We had the hard letter C for k, cat, and we had the soft letter C like for circle. And you're probably like, well, Miss Cole, I know what that sound is. It's the letter S. So it's kind of tricky because letter C makes the hard C k and the soft C sound just like the letter S, but it also could be a letter C. So today, like, we're just focusing on that hard C k and soft C sound, like circle, celery, cereal, city, cents, like for coins, or a centipede. So you're like, well, Miss Cole, the sound S should be the letter S. Well, as you can see, guys, right here, these are all the letter C's, and this is the correct way to spell the word circle, but it doesn't have the letter S, it has the letter C because it makes that soft C sound. So we're going to have a seesaw activity, and you're going to have to circle some different pictures that may have the hard C, k, 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 or the soft C, sound, okay? So take your time, really stretch out those pictures to really think about, is it making the hard C, k, k, like cat, or a soft C, like a circle that may kind of have that S sound, but it's still the letter C. Awesome job, guys. Have fun.